right, welcome. This is your girl Alexandra Caesar with Spice Gal Cooking Show. Today we are at the Thai Food Festival celebrating Thai New Year, and it's called
Songkran Festival.
Songkran Festival. I was invited by my good friend Horn and of course his restaurants. So we're going to showcase a few booths and you can tell them what exactly is the Songkran Festival.
So back home we are splashing water to each other throughout the country because it's hot season.
Okay.
Yeah, they just want to cool down, so they just anywhere they're gonna throw water on you. You're gonna be wet all day.
We're gonna be wet all day?
Yeah.
So you got me here to be wet all day?
Actually no, so they just to show you some authentic Thai food.
Authentic Thai food.
Yeah.
I like the sound of that. You know, I saw a lady doing the papaya salad. It gave me flashback. Oh my God.
Today they're gonna cook you very little spices.
Very little spices. Okay. It is so beautiful and the aroma is so flavorful. I'm feeling hungry. You know, colorful, vibrant. I love it already. So we're gonna keep going. Let's go. All right. My friend here, this is Thai green tea and it was so refreshing while I was waiting. Can you tell them what's in the green tea again?
Thai tea, green tea.
Thai tea?
Yes. And then we just bought it from Thailand, but we bought over here. But this import from Thailand. So, and my wife, she just
made it?
Yeah, she just made it.
And you put ice for me?
Yes, I just put ice
and you put some milk?
A little bit, yes. We call evaporated milk.
Some special milk, evaporated milk. And it was so refreshing.
Yes, yes.
And it's sweet, not too sweet.
Not too sweet because tea is not too sweet. You know, a lot of people, they don't like too sweet. So
yes. And this tea has caffeine, right? That's caffeine?
Caffeine, green tea, milk. Yes, a little bit. Not much, not like coffee.
Okay, well thank you so much.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna move on to the next booth. Ready? Oh yes.
Look interesting, this one.
And what are those right here? I've seen everybody selling those. What are they?
Beef meatballs.
Beef meatballs. And
I think there's 12 pieces here.
are they handmade?
Yeah, she can make these.
Thank you for letting me try.
Of course.
Okay. And how do you call them? Just beef meatballs?
Beef meatballs, yeah.
Okay.
Here, this one fell.
It has some spices. It's a little bit hot.
It's a Thai chili sauce and
you know, it's not heavy. You know how beef is heavy? It's very light. And it has enough flavor. Like, I don't feel...
that's what we're mostly known for is the meatballs and just anything on a stick. The meat on a stick. We got a lot of beef jerky, but...
Is that your restaurant? Do you...
No.
No?
Everything at home.
Okay.
Even if I order, we cater too.
Also, you cater? You want to tell us where to find you? Go ahead. Look at the camera.
You can find us every single year. I'm always here. Come to our next one. Stone Mountain is Wat Burakanti.
Okay.
Google us on Zor Church Road. Spice Gal Cooking Show is dope.
All right. Thank you so much. And thank you for the meatball. All right. These look very yummy. What are those?
Oh, this is spice coconut cake.
Spice coconut cake.
Spice coconut cake.
Okay, we'll buy some. Can we buy some?
Sure.
Okay, sure. But we can try it.
Okay. You can try it here.
Oh, can try over here?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your. What's up?
It's very
Sweet.
has a blend of flavor to it. It's not mushy. It's not hard. It's not soft. It's in between. It tastes like something very authentic. It's so good.
Yes, coconut.
Coconut and yogurt.
No yogurt.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk and sugar
And sugar.
and white flour and liquid salt.
And it's considered a dessert.
Yes.
I taste the coconut. I do.
You like it?
Yeah. How do you say it?
White coconut cake.
How do you say it in Thailand?
Khanom kok.
Khanom kok.
Khanom kok is the bum definitely slapping. Khanom kok is definitely slapping today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey, what are these?
Yes, this is a traditional like street dessert things
Uh-huh.
because it's like we use the pumpkins mixed with the flowers. It's very good. It's made like it's a crispy. You want to try some?
Sure, I'll try
A little
some.
bit of coconut milk,
Coconut
and
milk.
sugar.
Okay. And how do you call this?
In Thai we call kai nok kata.
Kainotaka.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. You know, I'm
Kainotaka.
officially from Thai now.
Oh,
So you guys
yes.
have to adopt me. Okay, I'm
It's
gonna
very
try it.
good.
Oh, inside is red.
It's kind of mixed because we mix with some purple jam also.
Purple
and
jam?
it's a pumpkins. Then the color is mixed together.
Mm.
It's all natural color.
Yes, it's not too
So-
oily. And I saw you guys were just cooking it right here, but it's
cooking right there.
yeah, but it's not too oily though.
No, it's
and
not oily.
Not too sweet, and it gives me a kick. It's like
It's very fun.
It's
You know,
good.
it's very fun
Yeah,
to eat.
a little
you know?
chewy. Oh my God! Thank you so much. What was your name?
You're well, Anamika.
Do you have a restaurant?
We working on that. And
Okay.
this is Jessica is my partner.
Okay, tell the camera.
Yes. Please, in the future, come support us. Me and Anamika and Jessica. In the future, we're going to have some our restaurant business. Spice Gal Cooking Show is dope.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you.
Thank
Oh my
you.
God! Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
for sharing with me today.
Oh, you're welcome, a bunch of thank you.
Hi, how are you? You look so beautiful.
Let me take it out.
No. It's perfect. It's perfect.
It's too hot.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Pooh, like Winnie the Pooh, Pooh Bear.
Okay, well, you look so pretty, and I caught you right there, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love her outfit.
So this festival is called, actually it's Thai New Year. Okay?
Thai New Year.
Thai New Year, but also they call Water Festival. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's all about joining fun, and everybody come to celebrate New Year, and all fun. Like they play festival, so usually you have to get wet.
Right.
They spray water to you.
So later you're gonna get wet?
I believe so. Yeah. I mean later, like in 5 minutes, not later tonight, right? Or something.
Okay.
Everywhere you go in Thailand, you get wet.
Okay,
Because
so
they throw water at you, and then you have to get wet.
to purify you.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. And then they're gonna have some kind of powder put on your cheek like that. I do have some too. Would you like some? I do have some. Yeah, you have to put some powder on your face.
On my face?
Yes, on your face. That is for they're like blessing you to be good luck. You have to have powder.
Okay, bless me. Go ahead and
all
bless
right,
me.
let's do it. This is the powder.
This is a powder, okay?
So you go like this.
Okay. Okay.
That is yes.
But the powder smells so good though.
Yes, the powder. This one is for blessing.
Is
so
it-
if you have on your cheek, it's gonna be lucky.
Oh my God, I feel
Yes.
so blessed. Thank you
Yes.
so much, Court. And
Yes.
can you tell us, what does the outfit represent? The colors are so
it's
vibrant.
So Thai dress. This is pretty much like Thai dress, but you
Traditional?
can wear Thai traditional. But actually, traditional would be more, colorful and those crystal everything. But this one is just basic. Everyone can have it. Like they have different style. Like more loyal people will be more like diamond, everything like more stronger than this. But
Okay.
this one for everybody to wear, like everyday look. Yeah,
But I
so
really like it. Did you make your glasses?
I just made that
You
by
made-
myself. Yesterday.
It's very creative.
I just made it yesterday.
You just made it, but
Yes.
I love it. Maybe
Maybe
we can
yes, you
swap.
can try. You
Let's
can try.
swap. Let's swap. Let's see. Let's see.
swap. Yeah.
Okay.
See?
Oh, you're so pretty. Thank you so much, and thank you for
Thank
allowing me to
you.
interview you
Thank
and
you.
also put you on my screen.
Oh,
All right. Thank you so much. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you
And thank you
too.
for the blessing.
Thank you.
All right. Bye bye.
All right. You taking my glasses? It's so cute. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. So you have that one on. Everybody will ask you like where you get that. I kind of hide this one, so I'm not giving to everybody
Let
yet.
me see. I'm the first one?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Thank you.
Soon I'm gonna
Thank
give to
you.
Soon I'm gonna give to everybody.
Okay.
Soon. Yeah.
And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. We have 100,000 subscribers.
Wow.
Be 101. We'll reach out to you.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
You're
All right.
welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, over here.
Okay, it's called sugarcane juice. Okay. Is it very sweet? Kind of. Is it recommended I drink the whole thing? No? It's very good for you? You know? Sugar. Okay, thank you so much. Oh my God, this is so good. So refreshing. I look like papaya salad.
The name of the restaurant is Tam Kakak.
Tam Kakak, okay.
She comes with name. I'm not involved. Tam Kakak. So we got papaya salad. We got pork meatballs. We have grilled chicken. And we have baby back rib. And we have spare ribs. And then we have our special sticky rice.
Let me see it. What? This is a special basket. Oh my
Yeah.
God, this looks so cool.
And authentic.
Authentic Thai
My
food.
mother woven this herself.
Really?
My mother.
And how old is this basket?
My mother is 76.
Yeah.
Okay.
She passed away 2 years.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you.
And you were able to, make sure
We're
the basket
continuing her.
Keep the fire.
a tradition.
Yeah.
Oh, that
Yes.
is so sweet.
And my mother and my father don't
Restaurant? Oh, this temple.
The temple.
This
Yeah.
temple here.
Yes.
Okay.
This is all new. This is only like about 7-8 years.
Really?
This was her same spot.
Really?
Her same spot before this was established.
Okay.
This was just a year established.
Yeah.
My number is 678-427-9627. Also, email vansamantha3@gmail.com.
All
We
right.
do weddings, we do birthdays, we do funerals, we do it all. Whatever you need, and it's all Lao and traditional Thai and Cambodian food. It's made out of love, and it will be shared with love.
Oh, that was the best commercial I've ever seen. It's like on the spot. You are spontaneous. You are perfect.
That's my mother's motto.
Can we buy some?
Yes. Let me make a fresh one for you since you're buying it.
Okay. This is our last booth, by the way.
Oh, okay. Good.
Okay. So she has that. How do you call this?
Papaya.
No, the tool.
A coke.
The cook.
The cork. She has the cork, just like you did.
Yep. The mortar and pestle. The traditional mortar and pestle.
Salt.
Hello. How are you? Swadika.
Is that 2 different salts?
That's seasoning and then sugar.
Oh, seasoning and sugar. Okay.
Good.
And what is this sauce right here?
Tamarind.
Tamarind. Okay.
That's traditional. A lot of people
Traditional.
don't use it.
Oh, you have gloves. Samantha. Yes, it's meant to be. Let me taste. Okay, thank you.
You like it? Nice.
Ribs. Yeah, these are baby back, and that's just spare ribs. You want a little spice, you want sweet, you want sour, you want the fermented fish sauce.
It
You want
is,
the saltiness.
it is, I can taste it's authentic Thai food. It's very flavorful,
Yes.
but not too much, and it's balanced.
Well, I'm holding back because she said I don't want to. I'm actually holding back because I can make it more.
No.
No.
It is perfect the way it is.
Papaya salad
That's what she got.
with the chunks.
Oh yeah.
That's
Oh yeah.
real.
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
traditional Thai right there. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, I can eat this all day.
We're gonna break you, Alexandra.
Oh, he tried to. He came to my house and cooked this and almost died. Yes.
He put too much spice for you. And my husband, he said the meatballs is on him.
Oh, thank you. What's your husband's name?
Malik.
Malik, thank you so much. I feel so blessed today. Everybody's blessing me left and right. You
came
guys
to
are
the right spot. You come to the right house.
There you go. Thank you so much. I'm gonna try it. Oh, thank you so much. Today, I had the pleasure to be invited by my good friend Korn to the Thai festival, which is the
Putabusha Temple.
Putabusha Temple, which is a Thai New Year. And already as I walked in, they blessed me. I was the first person to be blessed with a special powder for good luck this year. But before we continue, I wanted to give a shout out to all my fans and my subscribers. We've received an amazing plate and reward. Ooh! I don't know if you can see it. 100,000 subscribers, Spice Guy Cooking Show. YouTube recognized us, and it is thanks to you. We want to thank you. Continue liking, subscribing, and sharing. Come on, let's embark in a new adventure. Let's go, Korn.